Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, VIN Daddi. Please don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, VIN Daddi. So this is a 2016 Audi iS5. Pretty fancy. Look at that. Fancy looking car. I'm just doing tires on it right there. So I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys. You guys already watched enough tire videos, but I just want to show you this car. It's pretty nice. So yeah guys, cherry blossoms have blossomed, and these trees right here, leaves are starting to come out. Spring is here guys, spring is here. So right now I'm just taking this car for road tests, just making sure that everything else is fine with the car. Checking the braking system, the steering system, the suspension. So big shout out to Team Legends. Shout out to Kuya Jam TV. Shout out to GC Clips. Shout out to Marjorie Nilo de Guzman. Shout out to Mama Clara. Shout out to Ann Rabago. Shout out to Yanelin Hong. Shout out to Margie Hinkle Blog. Shout out to Leon's blog. Shout out to Mami Ree. Shout out to Gina Boy TV. Shout out to Xmore X. Shout out to Ashish Praveen. Shout out to Evangelista Siblings. Shout out to Russell TV. Shout out to Love Garud. Shout out to Franz Tikia. Shout out to Brotherhoods and Cabredders. Shout out to Water Rosie. Shout out to Team Raiders. Shout out to Maya TV. Shout out to Glamoria Style. Shout out to Sarah G. Smith. Shout out to Cecilia Mimaitan. Shout out to everyone else that I've missed. The lot's still empty, guys. The lot's still empty. You know the drill, guys. You know the drill. I'm gonna show you guys what this iS5 looks like. It looks pretty nice, actually. It's a two-door. This car's pretty sporty. So it's got a start button right here, guys. I'll show you guys. Car's off. Hold on to the button. Car starts up. S5. Shout out to Familia de la Cruz. I'm not sure who else I missed. Shout out to Glenn the Blog. Shout out to El Garlito. This car's got some power, guys. Turbo. Anyways, thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.